Hi all, welcome to color image processing of video session module 4. The content are color models, pseudo color image processing and MCQ. Color models, color space and color system specify colors in a standard way. A coordinate system that each color is represented by a single point, suitable for hardware or applications. The human can discern RGB model, CMY model, CMYK model and HSI model. The characteristics generally used to distinguish one color from another are brightness, hue, and saturation. Hue is an attribute associated with dominant wavelength in a mixture of light waves. Saturation refers to the relative purity or amount of white light mixed with hue. The pure spectrum colors are fully saturated, and colors like pink and lavender are less saturated, with the degree of saturation is inversely proportional to the amount of white light added. Hue and saturation together are known as chromaticity, and therefore color may be characterized by its brightness and chromaticity. The purpose of color model is to facilitate the specification of colors in some standards, generally in accepted way. The color model is the specification of the coordinate system where each color is represented by a single point. In digital image processing, the hardware-oriented models most commonly used in practice are the RGB models for the color monitors and a broad class of color video cameras, CMY and CMYK model for color printing and HSI model. HSI model decouples the color and grayscale information in an image, making it suitable for the many of the grayscale techniques developed. RGB color model. In the RGB model, each color appears in its primary spectral components of red, green, and blue. This model is based on Cartesian coordinate system. Let us consider an example of color cube, where RGB primary colors are at 3 corners and secondary colors are cyan, magenta, yellow are at other 3 corners. Black is at the horizon and white is at the corner. The black is at the horizon, white is at the corner farthest from the horizon. In this model, grayscale extends from black to white along the line joining these 2 points. The different colors in this model are point and are inside the cube and defined by vectors extending the origin. In RGB model, image represented consists of 3 component images, one for each primary color. When fed on to RGB monitor, these 3 images combine on the screen to produce a composite color image. The number of bits used to represent each pixel in RGB space is called pixel depth. Consider a RGB image in which each of the red, green, and blue images is of 8 bits. The RGB pixel depth become 24 bits or 3 bytes. The term full color image is used to often denote a 24-bit RGB color image. Many systems in use today are limited to 56 colors. Also, there are numerous applications in which it simply makes no sense to use more than 500 or fewer colors. The subset of colors is called as the set of safe RGB colors or the set of all system safe colors. In internet applications, these are known as web colors. Let us assume that there are 250 colors that can be reproduced by any system. Out of 256, 40 colors are processed differently by various operating systems. 216 colors have become de facto standard for safe colors, especially internet applications. Each of these 216 colors is formed from the RGB values, but each value can only be 0, 51, 102, 153, 204 or 255. So these RGB triplet values gives us 216 possible values. The above figure shows the 216 safe colors organized in descending RGB values. The square in the top left as F, 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 F weight. The second square to its right as value F, 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 C, C, and so on. It is important to note that all possible 8-bit gray colors are included in 216 safe colors. In the above figure shows the RGB safe color cube. Unlike the full color cube, the cube has valid colors only on the surface planes. Each plane has 36 colors. Each plane has 36 colors. So the entire surface of the safe color cube is covered by 216 different colors. The CMY and CMYK models. The cyan, magenta, and yellow are the secondary colors of light or primary colors of pigments. The devices that deposit the color pigments on paper, such as color printers and copiers, require CMY data input internally or RGB to CMY conversion. This conversion is performed by the following equation. The CMY is equal to matrix of 1, 1, 1 minus matrix of RGB. Here we assume that all color values are normalized to the range 0 to 1. The above equation indicates that light reflected from pure cyan does not contain red, pure magenta does not contain green, and pure yellow does not contain blue. In image processing, color models are used in connection with generating hard copy output. So the inverse operation from CMY to RGB generally is of little practical interest. Equal amount of pigment primaries, CMY should produce a black in theory, but real it produces muddy looking black. So in order to produce a black, we add black color to the CMY colors, and this refers to the CMYK color model. The HSI color model. The RGB, CMY, and other similar color models are not well suited for describing colors in terms that are practical for human interpretation. When humans view a color object, we describe by its hue, saturation, and brightness. We know that intensity is the most powerful descriptor of the monochromatic images. The HSI model decouples the intensity component from color carrying information in a color image. HSI model is the ideal tool for developing the image processing algorithms based on color descriptions that are natural and intuitive to humans. We can say that the RGB is suitable for color image generation, but its use for color description is much more limited. We know that RGB color can be viewed as 3 monochrome intensity images. So we should be able to extract intensity from RGB images. So we can consider the color cube above. If we stand it on black at 0, 0, 0 with 1, 1, 0, 0, 0 with 1, 1, 1 vertex directly above it, the intensity along the line joining these two vertices. With respect to the above image, the line joining black and white vertices is vertical. Thus, if we want to determine the intensity component of any color in the above image, we should simply pass a plane perpendicular to the intensity axis and containing the color point. The intersection of plane with intensity axis would give us the point with intensity values in the range 0 to 1. In order to determine U from the given RGB point, consider previous figure. The figure shows the plane defined by the 3 points. The fact that black and white contained in the plane tells us that the intensity axis is also contained in the plane. Furthermore, we see that all points contained in the plane segment defined by the intensity axis and the boundary of the cube have same U. If these 2 points are black and white and third is a color point, all points on the triangle would have same hue because black and white points cannot change the hue. By rotating the shaded plane about the vertical intensity axis, we would obtain different hues. From the above discussion, we can conclude that the HSI values can be determined by RGB values by working out the geometric values. The key point to keep in mind regarding the cube arrangement and corresponding HSI color space is that HSI space is represented by vertical intensity axis and the locus of color points lies perpendicular to the axis. As the plane move up and down the intensity axis, the boundary is defined by the intersection of each plane with faces of the cube either have triangular and hexagonal shape. The important components of the HSI color space are the vertical intensity axis, the length of the vector to a color point, and the angle this vector makes with the red axis. Converting colors from RGB to HSI, given an image in an RGB color format, the H component of each RGB pixel is obtained by using the equation H is equal to theta or 360 minus theta. Theta if B is less than or equal to G, if B is greater than G, then 360 minus theta. S is equal to 1 minus 3 by R plus G plus B into minimum of RGB. Finally, intensity component is given by I is equal to R plus G plus B by 3. So assume that all the RGB values are normalized to the range 0 to 1 and theta is measured with respect to the red axis. Theta is cos inverse of 1 by 2 R minus G plus R minus D by R minus G whole square plus R minus D into G minus D whole square. HSI component images, we can see that some techniques for manipulating HSI component images in the above figure. That are top left figure shows the image composed of primary and secondary colors, and other three shows the HSI component of the images generated using previous equations. To change the individual color of any region in the RGB image, we change the values of the corresponding region in the U image. Then we convert the new H image along with the S and I images back to RGB using the procedure explained in the earlier sections. To change the saturation of color in any region, we follow the same procedure except that we make changes in the saturation image in HSI space. So we'll go for multiple choice questions. Which of the following color models is suitable from printing point of view? RGB, CMYK, HSI, all the above. Answer is CMYK. If red, green and blue have values 0, 150 and 150 respectively, then its corresponding values in HIS are H is equal to pi, S is equal to 1 and I is equal to 100. The answer is D. What are primary colors? Primary colors are red, green and blue. Assuming a color image has a dark tone, what type of transformation should be used to correct the tone? That is, the answer is input intensity. If red and green blue have values 0, 150 and 150 respectively, then its corresponding normalized values in CMY are C is equal to 0.38, M is equal to 0.53 and Y is equal to 0.62 using the equation discussed in the previous section, that is 1 minus matrix 1 1 1 minus RGB. Range of U in HIS model is 0 to 1. In each of the following color channels in HSI color model, we apply neighborhood operations like smoothing and sharpening, use saturation, intensity, all of the above. All of the above. The size of RGB color image is given by dash number of bits 24, 32, 64. That is 24 bits. Where do we find the white color in chromaticity diagram? Inside, outside, on boundaries, none of the above. None of the above. Secondary colors of light are CMY, RGB, only A, only B. That is CMY. Okay, fine. We will stop the discussions here.